हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई एम डॉक्टर आस्था हियर एंड आज का टॉपिक हमारे रेपर्टरी पार्ट के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। ये एक सॉर्ट ऑफ हिडन टॉपिक है, हाउसएवर ये हमारे थ्योरी एग्ज़ाम्स में आता है एंड उतना फ्रीक्वेंटली नहीं, बट ये एमसीक्यूज़ में भी पूछे जा सकते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो।
Essential Evolutionary Totality EET. So this term has been introduced by Dr. M.L. Dhavle to help the physician in constructing the evolutionary picture of a person. Essential Evolutionary Totality helps the physician in constructing the evolutionary picture of a person. Now, it consists of longitudinal section and a cross-sectional study of a person. So longitudinal section and cross-sectional study क्या होता है ये हम आगे पढ़ते हैं. So basically EET का आंसर हमें स्टार्ट करना है कि ये टर्म हमें डॉक्टर एम.एल. धावले ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है. It helps the physician in constructing the evolutionary picture of a person and it consists of longitudinal section and cross-sectional study of a person. So longitudinal section study. So what is longitudinal section study? So it means the study of evolution of the person from birth till present state. It is a study of evolution of a person from birth to present state. So it will include all the events with characteristic expressions in relation to family, work and social environment. ठीक है. So बचपन से लेके बर्थ से लेके प्रेजेंट स्टेट तक जितने भी इवेंट्स हुए हैं उस पेशेंट के लाइफ में along with the characteristic expressions in relation. So in longitudinal section study what we do is कि कोई भी पर्सन का हम बर्थ से लेके प्रेजेंट स्टेट तक जितने भी उसके लाइफ में इवेंट्स हुए हैं या उस इवेंट से रिलेटेड जितने भी एक्सप्रेशंस या कुछ भी रिएक्शंस रहा है इन रिलेशन टू फैमिली, वर्क और सोशल एनवायरनमेंट, उसका हम स्टडी करते हैं. अब हम ये स्टडी क्यों करते हैं इज इम्पोर्टेंट. हम ये स्टडी करते हैं टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ द पेशेंट, constitution of the patient or say person, including the miasmatic background. Okay, हमने longitudinal section study देखा. अब हम देखेंगे cross sectional study. So what is cross-sectional study? It is the study of an event in the life of a person with all the details of its expressions. It is a study of an event, only one event in the life of a person with all the details of its expression. So it helps to understand the totality of different expressions of the constitution at different times. Okay. The study of a few cross-sectional totality, it helps to understand the dominant miasm at different stages, so that the evolution of a constitutional miasmatic state can be understood properly. ठीक है? So EET, if worked out properly, gives the glimpse of all the events in totality. If worked out properly, okay, and it helps the physician to work out the constitutional sector, acute remedies and intercurrent remedies. Okay, and EET has 4 main lines. This is very important. EET has 4 main lines. So very first is line of causation. Second is line of concomitant. Third is line of evolution. You can say it as line of time and line of phase. So सबसे पहले will be the line of causation. Okay, so line of causation is the middle longitudinal line and it contains predisposition, diathesis and disease. It is held that the cause of a disease is the person's predisposition and disposition, which leads to the particular diathesis in an unfavorable condition known as disease. Then we have the line of concomitant. So this is the line of concomitant. The middle transverse line is called the line of concomitant, and the expressions at mental and physical planes are noted above and below the line respectively. Remember, the expressions are recorded in relation to the environment. Okay, so this is the line of causation, this is the line of concomitant. Then comes the line of evolution. So the cross line from upper left corner to right lower corner is called the line of evolution or line of time. I'll write it down like this, evolution. Okay. So it represents the various events from birth to the present state. So here you have family, work, society. Okay. Now last we have the line of phase. So the cross line from left lower corner to right upper corner is known as line of phase. It represents the various phases of disease, that is the SORA, psychosis, tubercular and syphilis. So we have the SORA over here. We'll have the psychosis. We have the tubercular and syphilis. So this is EET, Essential Evolutionary Totality in short. अगर ये डायग्राम आप याद रखते हो या पेपर में भी ये डायग्राम आप बनाते हो, so you can easily score good marks, but make sure कि आप कुछ pointers लिखो. जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि line of causation क्या होता है, तो it is a middle longitudinal line. Line of concomitant क्या होता है, it is a middle transverse line. Okay, and what it contains, the expressions at mental and physical planes are denoted by line of concomitant. Then we have the line of evolution or the line of time. The cross line from left upper corner to right lower corner is called the line of evolution, and it represents the various events from birth to present state in relation to family, work and society, as we have seen earlier. Then we have the line of phase. The cross line from left lower corner to right upper corner is known as line of phase, and it represents the various phases of diseases like SORA, psychosis, tubercular and syphilis. With this we complete our EET.